Welcome to my channel Prana Bisara. Today we are going to study the chapter Chaturveda Rasayana, group of medicines containing mercury or other minerals including Parada and Gandhaka. We all know that after proper Shodhana, Parada will get rid of its doshas, but it will be having Gurutva and Chapalatva qualities which will make it not suitable for therapeutic purposes. So, Parada should be subjected to the process of Murchana, by which Parada is converted into such a form that it develops a definite disease curing capacity through various pharmaceutical process with or without Gandhaka. Formulations of Parada broadly classified into two types, Sagandha, Nirgandha. Sagandha with Gandhaka, there are many in number, safe for use. Nirgandhaka without Gandhaka, less number, not much safer. Strict patya should be followed during their usage. Classification of Rasaushadhis. They are the category of Ayurvedic medicines renowned for its powerful healing properties. Based on the method of preparation, Rasaushadhis containing Parada classified into four types. Kalviya Rasayana, Parpati Rasayana, Kupipakva Rasayana, Potali Rasayana. Based on the efficacy, Potali Rasayana is more efficacious than Kupipakva Rasayana. Kupipakva Rasayana is more efficacious than Parpati Rasayana. Parpati Rasayana is more efficacious than Kalviya Rasayana. Potali Rasayana is more efficacious among all the Chaturveda Rasayana because of its potency, fast action, deeper tissue penetration and Rasayana properties. Kalviya Rasayana. Kalva means mill or stone for grinding the drugs. Rasayana means medicine which prevents old age and prolonged life. So Kalviya Rasayana are those medicine which are prepared by grinding drugs in Kalva Yantra, that which prevents the old age, prolonged life and cures diseases. It is Niragni type of Parada Murchana. Among four Rasaushadhis, Kalviya Rasayana is primarily essential pharmaceutical technique as it serves as base for other three Rasayana. Majority of Kalviya Rasayana contains Parada as their ingredients. Few exceptions like Kapha Ketu Rasa, but it is named because of its action similar to mercury containing Rasayana. Method of preparation. Necessary equipments. Kalva Yantra. Procedure. Collection of ingredients, purification of ingredients, purified minerals are made into fine powder, add to Parada and mixed thoroughly to form a homogeneous mixture. This mixture is triturated with Swarasa and Kashaya of different drugs. What is of desired size are prepared. They are dried and stored in the airtight container. Importance. It is easy to prepare, wide range of application and therapeutic utility. Trituration reduces particle size, thus increases its bioavailability. Kajali used in Kalviya Rasayana or good Yogavahi. Kajali along with herbal drugs used in Kalviya Rasayana increases shelf life by its antimicrobial properties. Shelf life as per Sharangadhara, infinite. As per CCRAS, only Rasaushadhi is used 10 years. Rasaushadhi plus Kastaushadhi used 5 years. Example, Kajali. निर्द्रवैः धातुभिश्चतः गन्धादिभिः पेशितः पारदः श्लक्ष्णत्वं प्रपीतः कज्जलाभो यदा असौ जायते तदा नामतः कोविदैः कज्जली इति उच्यते. When Gandhaka is added to Parada and triturated without adding any liquid till it becomes very fine black powder is called as Kajjali. Synonyms: Kajjala, Kajjalika. Procedure. Ingredients are Shuddha Parada 1 part, Shuddha Gandhaka can be taken from half to 6 part, Maharasa, Uparasa or Dhatu. Add Parada and Gandhaka in Kalva Yantra, triturate till it attains Lakshnatva and whole Parada disappears in Gandhaka. Confirmation: Asukshma, Rekapurnatva, Nischandratva, Nischalatva, Kajjalabha. Duration: triturate till Parada globule disappears, at least 120 hours. Mode of action: it is GI stimulant, hepatoprotective, dermatoprotective, antimicrobial, catalyst for better absorption. Examples given in the syllabus are Shwasakutara Rasa and Vata Vidvamsana Rasa. Shwasakutara Rasa. Ingredients are Shuddha Parada, Shuddha Gandhaka, Shuddha Vatsanabha, Shuddha Tankana, Shuddha Manashila. Maricha, Shunti, Pipali, that is Trikatu. Dose 1 to 2 Rati, Anupana, honey. Important therapeutic uses are Agnimandya, Kasa, Shwasa, Vata Kafaja Roga, Sannipata Roga, Murcha, Apasmara, Meha. Vata Vidvamsana Rasa. Ingredients used are Shuddha Parada, Shuddha Gandhaka. 5 Bhasmas are used here. Nagabhasma, Vangabhasma, Lohabhasma, Tamrabhasma, Abrakabhasma. Trikatu, Shunti, Maricha, Pipali. Citraka Rasa. Tankana is also used. Nirgundi Rasa. Arka Rasa. Dose, Turati, Anupana, honey. Important therapeutic uses: Vataja Shula, Vataja Grahani, Kafaja Roga, Sutika Vata, Grahani, Sannipata Roga. Parpati Rasayana. It is second one among Chaturveda Rasayana. It is more efficacious than Kalviya Rasayana. The word Parpati derived from Parpata, which means papad or thin wafer. It is one among Rasabandha. It helps to remove Chanchalatva and Durgrahatva of Parada and makes it free from all sorts of doshas and enhance its potency. Definition: Dhrita Kajjalika Mochapatrake Chipati Kritaha Sapotah Parpati Saiva Baladya Kila Roganat. Kajjali prepared from Shuddha Parada and Shuddha Gandhaka is heated till it melts, then immediately poured on banana leaf and compressed to form crisp, thin wafer. This is known as Parpati or Potabandha. This Parpati is used right from the pediatric to geriatric patients so as to cure all the diseases. Two types. Sagandha Parpati means Parada plus Gandhaka along with Abraka, Swarna, etc. are added to form a different Parpati. Example: Swarna Parpati, Rasa Parpati. Nirgandha Parpati, Parada and Gandhaka is not used. The procedure is similar. Example: Shweta Parpati, Malla Parpati. Method of preparation: Purva Karma, collection of ingredients and co-ingredients, that is Parada, Gandhaka, Rasadravyas or cast aushadis. Co-ingredients like Grita, Taila, Mochapatra or Kadalipatra or Arkapatra or Erandapatra or Nagavalli-patra. Necessary equipments: Kalvayantra. It is used for the preparation of Kajjali and proper mixing of all the ingredients. Lohadarvi for melting the Kajjali. Tamradarvi is used in Rasaprapati. Gomaya used during the process of melted Kajjali. Ishamala can also be used. Kadalipatra normally used because it is Pittahara, supportive to GIT, easily available. Arka or Erandapatra can be used. Arkapatra is used in the Tamraparpati. Chamacha during melting of Kajjali, shifting of melted Kajjali to Kadalipatra. Sneha for non-sticking of the Kajjali to Darvi so that Kajjali should not be burned. Ushnajala to remove the Grita sticking to the Parpati. Plate for compression. Preparation of Kajjali. Shuddha Parada plus Gandhaka is taken in Kalvayantra. Mardana is done till it attains Lakshnatva, Sukshmatva, Nischanchalatva. Parada plus Gandhaka plus Dhatu if it is taken. Parada plus Gandhaka triturate, then add Bhasma of Dhatu and Kajjali is prepared. Cast aushadis are used, then follow the same method. Parada plus Shodhita Dhatu amalgamate, then it attains a pisti form. Add Shuddha Gandhaka, fine powder, then prepare Kajjali. Pradhana Karma. Small quantity of Grita is taken in Lohadarvi, heated till it melts and some amount of above mixture is added to Darvi and heated in the low flame till it melts. Then melted mixture poured in Kadalipatra, smeared with Grita which is placed over the platform of Gomaya. Then immediately another Grita Lepita Kadalipatra placed over it and pressed to attain the consistency of Parpati. After cooling, collect thin, crispy, flaky Parpati after attaining Parpati Siddhi Lakshana. Pashat Karma. After collecting, wash with warm water, dry it, store in container. Parpati Paka Pariksha. Paka Kalina Pariksha means during preparation. Paka Paschat Pariksha after preparation. Paka Kalina Pariksha Mridupaka Mayura Chandrika Karam Lingam Yatra Tu Drishyate. Example: Rasaparpati. Madhyamapaka Tavat Stapyate Yavat Tailabhu Jayate Rasaha. Example: Tamraparpati. Karapaka Raktavarna Bhavit Yavat Tavat Pachyam Prachalayate. Example: Rudraparpati. Paka Paschat Pariksha after preparation. Mridupaka Mridupake na Bangaha. Panchamrita Parpati. Madhyama Paka. Madhye Bangashcha Ropyayat. Example Panchamrita Parpati. Karapaka. Kare Churnascha Lohitam. Example Panchamrita Parpati. You can observe Tyajya Parpati. Kara Tyajyo Vishamupamaha. Not suitable for oral medication, acts as Visha. Indication Grahani, Atisara, Jalodhara, Gulmaroga, Kushta, Arshas. Parpati Prayoga, that is mode of administration. Samanya Prayoga 1 to 2 Ratti, 2 to 3 times a day. Kalpa Prayoga or Mandala Prayoga or Vardhamana Prayoga 10 Ratti. As per Rasaratna Samuchaya, first day 1 Ratti should be given, second day 1 plus 1, 2 Ratti should be given, and up to 11th day it should be given, that is 10 Ratti. According to Rasatarangini, first day 2 Ratti, up to 11th day 10 Ratti. Decrease when disease has subsided. Strict Patya should be followed. Patyas or Dugda, Dugda Anna, Kakamachi, Patola, Puranashali, etc. Apatya, Amlarasa, Shita Jalasnana, Chinta, Krodha. Importance: Parpatikalpas or Ushnavirya, they stimulate Agni, mitigates Ama, and thus useful in Amuja Vyadhi of GI disorders. Some studies reveals that Parpati decreases intestinal motility and increases the absorption power. So they are indicated in Grahani and Atisara. They act on intestine than on the stomach, thus preventing action of gastric juice near it. Shelf life: as per Sharangadhara Infinite, CCRS 10 years. Example Loha Parpati, Bola Parpati. The examples given in the syllabus are Loha Parpati, Shuddha Parada, Shuddha Gandhaka and Loha Bhasma are taken in one part. Dose 1 Ratti. Increased 1 Ratti on each day for 1 week or 2 weeks. Anupana, Dhanyaka or Jiraka, Hima or Kvata. Time of administration: after Nitya Karma, this Parpati has to be taken early in the morning in the empty stomach. Therapeutic indications: Jvara, Asadhya Grahani, Amadoshaja Shula, Atisara, Pandu, Kamala, Pliha Vriddhi, Agnimandya, Bhasmaka Roga, Amavata. Sudha Parpati, Sudha 1 part, Shuddha Gandhaka 2 parts. Dose 1 to 2 Ratti, Anupana, water, milk. Important therapeutic uses: pimples, Mehapidaka, Tvak Rogas. Kupipakva Rasayana, it is one among Chaturveda Rasayana. Kupi means a specially designed glass bottle. Pakva means Kramagni Tapa, that is Mridu, Madhyama and Tivra Agni. Rasa signifies Parada. Ayana means place. Definition: Kupyam Agnam Pakvam Yat Rasayanam Tat Kupipakva Rasayanam. Kupipakva Rasayana is a specific preparation where Parada and other ingredients are processed by heating in a specialized glass bottle, that is Kupi, by applying Kramagni Tapa, which has its own clinical efficacy with minimum therapeutic dosage. Classification: based on the ingredients, Sagandha, Nirgandha. Sagandha means with Gandhaka, whereas Nirgandha means without Gandhaka. Sagandha, if Parada plus Gandhaka only used, example Rasa Sindura. Parada plus Gandhaka plus Dhatu used, Swarnavanga. Parada plus Gandhaka used in Rasa Sindura. Parada plus Gandhaka plus Dhatu used in Swarnavanga. Parada plus Gandhaka plus Adhatu used in Malla Sindura. Parada plus Gandhaka plus Adhatu plus Dhatu used in Manikya Rasa. Parada plus Gandhaka plus Adhatu plus Kastaushadis are used in Surya Shekhara Rasa. Nirgandha example Rasa Pushpa, Rasa Karpura. Based on the location of a finished product, Galasta or Kantastha, final product gets collected at the neck of the Kupi in Kupipakva Rasayana. Example Rasa Sindura, Rasa Karpura. Talastha or Adastha, final product gets collected at the base of the Kupi in Kupipakva Rasayana. Example Samira Pannagarasa, Swarnavanga. The basis of manufacturing method: Antarduma, Bahirduma. Antarduma means during preparation, if the corking of the Kupi mouth is done initially without letting fumes to go out of the Kupi, then it is called as Antarduma. Example Rasa Sindura. Bahirduma, during preparation, if the corking of the Kupi mouth is done after fumes is allowed to go out of the Kupi, then it is called as Bahirduma. Example Malla Sindura. Method of preparation: necessary equipments: Kachakupi, Vastra, Mritika, Valuka, Lohashalaka, copper coin, Agni Bhati, pyrometer. Procedure: Purva Karma, collection of appropriate instruments, purification of ingredients, Shodhita Parada, Shodhita Gandhaka, preparation of Kajjali. Parada and other drugs should be taken according to reference, and trituration should be done in Kalvayantra without adding any drava till the homogeneous mixture is formed and mixture becomes lusterless. Generally, Kajjali is black in color, but color depends on the ingredients used. Ash color in Rasa Pushpa, deep orange color in Hinguliya Manikya Rasa. If bhavana as mentioned, Kajjali should be triturated with specified bhavana drava, then it should be dried and powdered finally. Preparation of Kupi. Kupi used in Valuka Yantra, covered with 7 layers of mud smeared cloth to make it suitable to withstand intense heat and become smoke pressure resistant. Bottle. At present, beer bottle of 650 ml capacity with neck 1 to 1.5 inch length and moderate thickness is used. Mud. At present, Multani Mitti is used for this purpose. Layers. 3 to 10 layers can be wrapped and should be well dried after each layer. Filling of Kajjali into the Kupi. Kupi is to be filled up to 1/3 with the Kajjali. Kupi should be kept exactly at center of the Valaka Yantra, placed at the height of 2 angula from the bottom of Valaka Yantra, and remaining part of the Valaka Yantra should be filled with sand up to neck of the Kupi. Pradhana Karma includes heating pattern and its monitoring, Shalaka Sanchalana, corking of the Kupi, Mukha Mudrana, method of corking. Pradhana Karma, heating pattern and its monitoring. Kramagni is given. Mridu Agni 125 to 250 degrees Celsius, Madhyama Agni 250 to 450 degrees Celsius, Tivra Agni 450 to 650 degrees Celsius. Mridu Agni, it is a stage of melting Kajjali. Madhyama Agni, it is a stage of boiling of Kajjali. Tivra Agni, it is a stage of corking of the mouth of the Kupi. Mridu Agni, sulfur fumes appear. Test to identify Tivra Agni. Traditional methods: cotton or dry grass test. Place cotton or dry grass on Valaka Yantra. If it catches fire and burns, the temperature is Tivra Agni. Rice test. Place a paddy or maize grain over Valaka. If it pops up, temperature is considered Tivra Agni. Shalaka Sanchalana. In Ushna Shalaka, thick rods are used, and in Shita Shalaka, thin rods are used. Corking of Kupi, Mukha Mudrana. Corking is done in the absence of fumes, in the absence of a flame. Copper coin test. If the copper coin is kept over the mouth of the Kupi, a white deposition is termed coin test. If copper coin is kept over mouth of the Kupi, a white deposition is formed on it. Suryodaya Lakshana. Appearance of redness in the bottom of the Kupi. Complete expulsion of water vapors. Dry grass test is positive. Ushna Shalaka and Shita Shalaka test are positive. Method of corking. Before corking, 2 to 3 inches of sand layers should be moved aside from the neck region to make it cool, as the sublimating compound can get well condensed in the neck portion of the Kupi. While corking, temperature is reduced for some time. Cork made up of stone or wood or mud is kept over the mouth of the Kupi, and then it is covered with the cloth smeared with clay or Multani Mitti. Paschat Karma. Removal and scraping of the Kupi, breaking of Kupi, collection and examination of the product. Removal and scraping of Kupi. First, sand should be removed from Valaka Yantra. Kupi is taken out carefully. Then scraping, layers of cloth smeared with Gopi Chandana is removed. Kupi should be cleaned with wet cloth. Then mark the level of rasayana inside, neck or bottom. Breaking of Kupi. Kerosene or spirit dipped thread is tied 2 to 3 cm away from the level of the product and fire is set. Kupi is kept horizontal and rotated so that whole thread gets completely ignited. After fire extinguished, little cold water is sprinkled over it, or Kupi can be wrapped with wet cloth. Then Kupi breaks into 2 equal halves at a desired level. Collection and examination of the product. Final product may be Kantastha or Talastha type. Should be collected carefully from particular portion, powdered well and stored. Product is analyzed with classical or modern parameters. Importance. Best Rasayana. Potency of these drugs remains longer period, requires minimal dose, easy for administration. When mixed, it reduces dose of other drugs, cure even asadhya rogas. Potent due to its yoga vahitva and ashukaritva property. Shelf life as per Sharangadhara perpetual and CCRAS 10 years. Rasasindura, Shuddha Parada, Shuddha Gandhaka, Vatankura Swarasa. Dose 1 Rati. Anupana, honey. Therapeutic indications, Kafaja Roga, Balakshaya, Dhatukshaya, Hriddaurvalya, etc. Sakarpura. Ingredients are Shuddha Parada, Gandhakamla, Saindavalavana. Dosage 1/64 Rati to 1/32 Rati. Anupana, honey. Therapeutic indications, Tvakroga, Atisara, Pravahika, etc. Potali Rasayana. It is one among Chaturveda Rasayana. It is having Kotabandha or Potabandha or Arotabandha. Etymology. Potena samsleshena liyate iti potalika. Means to minimize or to concise or to make compact. Definition. Vistaritasya vastunaha alpo bhavanam pottam pottalati grihannati iti pottali. Specific process to collect scattered materials into compact and comprehensive size called as pottali. Classification. Based on appearance. Churna Rupa, powdered form, example Hamsa Pottali Rasa. Basma Rupa, ash form, Shankagarbha Pottali. Puga Rupa or conical form, Hemagarbha Pottali. Based on the ingredients, Parada Pottali, Gandhaka Pottali. Parada Pottali with Parada, example Hemagarbha Pottali, Ratnagarbha Pottali. Without Parada, Gandhaka Pottali. Gandhaka Pottali with Gandhaka, Rasa Pottali. Without Gandhaka, Vajra Pottali. Based on the Agni Samskara, Sa Agni using fire, Niragni without using fire, example Hamsa Pottali Rasa. Sa Agni is of two types, Puttapaka, Yantrapaka. In Puttapaka, Agni provided through Putta, example Lokanatha Pottali. In Yantrapaka, different yantras are used. They are Lavana Yantra, Valaka Yantra, Dola Yantra. Lavana Yantra example Kaparda Pottali, Valaka Yantra, Shulagarbha Pottali, Dola Yantra, Hamsagarbha Pottali. Method of preparation. Bhavana method. Puttapaka method, two types, Kaparda or Shankapurana, Mushapaka. Gandhaka Dravapaka or Pottalipaka method. This table shows the difference between the Yantrapaka. In Dola Yantrapaka, wet heat is given. In Valaka Yantrapaka, dry heat is given. In Lavana Yantrapaka, dry heat is given. In Dola Yantrapaka, boiling liquid, that is Kwatar Swarasa, is used. In Valuka, sand is used, whereas in Lavana, salt is used. Nature of contact. In Dola Yantra, direct, whereas in Valuka and Lavana Yantrapaka, indirect. Bhavana Pottali or Bhavana Samskara. Principle, Bhavana, Yantra, Kalva Yantra, Dravadravya, Kumari Swarasa if unspecified. Final product, rolled pills. Procedure, all the ingredients are purified, properly incinerated and made into fine powder. Then it is subjected to Bhavana with Kumari Swarasa if unspecified. Bhavana is given till mass attains viscous and semi-solid state. Repeat for 3 to 5 times, then dried, powdered and preserved and made into pills. Example, Amsa Pottali Rasa, Gandhakadi Pottali Rasa. Puttapaka method or Puttapaka Samskara. Principle, Marana, Putta, Gajaputta, Yantra, Kalva Yantra, Kaparda or Musha, Sharava, Mrutalepita Vastra. Ingredients, Tankana, Gokshira, Parda, Gandhaka, Dhatu, like Swarna, Rajata, Naga, etc. Basma, Makshika Basma or Shanka Basma, etc. Final product, Basma. Procedure, all the ingredients of Pottali, Sindura, Dhatu, Basmas, Churnas are taken, subjected to Puttapaka and reduced to Basma form. All the ingredients are subjected to Bhavana with specified liquid as per reference and allowed to dry. Two methods. If the mixture is filled in kaparda, ventral cleft is closed with a paste made up of tankana and gokshira. This paste is smeared around kaparda and allowed to dry. Then it is enclosed in Sharava Samputa, subject to Gajapata. After Swangashita, burnt kaparda or macerated to fine powder and preserved. Example Lokanatha Pattali. If the mixture is filled in Musha, sealed with the paste of Tankana and Gokshira, this paste is smeared thickly around Musha and allowed to dry. Enclosed in Sharava Samputa, then Gajapata is given. After Swangashita, Musha is macerated to fine powder and preserved. Example Shanka Garbha Pottali. Pottali Paka method. Principles Vedana, Yantra, Kalva Yantra, Valuka Yantra, silk cloth. Ingredients Gandhaka plus Parada. Pakakala, Yamarda 1.5 hour, Yamaka 3 hour, Gatika 6 hour, Yama 6 hours, approximately 1 to 8 hours. Final product solid compact form. Procedure all the ingredients purified incinerated into fine powder. Then bhavana is given with Babula Niryasa or Tulasi Swarasa or Chitraka Swarasa if specified. If not, then Kumari Swarasa. After trituration, potali is prepared and shape is given. 3 shapes are given. Shikara Arambikakara, that is the base being wide with a narrowly pointed towards the top resembling the shape of the pyramid. Pugakara, like Pugafala. Karshamanascha Vartika, its weight should be 1 karsha. Then the potali is dried and tied in silk cloth from 1 to 4 layers. Sulfur powder is placed in between each layers. Suspended in earthen pot using iron shalaka containing molten sulfur, and container is smeared with the ghee. Then Mandagni is maintained till Pakasiddhi Lakshanas. Confirmation test. Neela Shyama or Vyoma Varna of the sulfur. Potali attains metallic sound when banged against container or any hard substances. Silk cloth starts to burn. Then potali is taken out after Paka Lakshana attained and silk cloth is removed. Then potali is scraped with knife to remove the superficial coating of the gandhaka adhered to it. Then it is stored in suitable container for further therapeutic uses. Example Hemagarbha potali. Mode of action. Potali should be rubbed over a rough surface stone for desired number of rotations by applying madhu or grita as a medium, and whole paste is administered orally. Importance: more convenient to handle for transportation, therapeutically more stable as parada is treated with molten sulfur. It is used in emergency condition. Parada plus other drugs like Sattva, Basma, Sindura, etc. enhance its property and exhibit synergistic action, easy for administration and dose fixation, preservation of properties for longer time. Shelf life according to Sharangadhara perpetual, CCRES 10 years. Indications: Sannipataja Jvara, Shwasa, Kasa, Sannipataja of different Vyadis. Anupana, Ardraka Swarasa, Nagavalli Swarasa, Matra 1 Gunja, Patya, Grata, Shali, Dadi, etc. Apatya, Amla Dravya, Skroda, Bilva, Ratri Jagarana. Example Tamra Garbha Pottali. Ingredients are Tamra Basma, Kajjali, Shuddha Gandhaka Churna, Shuddha Swarna, Kumari Swarasa. Dose: half to 1 Rati, Anupana, Ardraka Swarasa, Madhu, Roga. Therapeutic indications: Kafaja, Tridoshaja, Shwasa, Kasa, Jvara, Shula, etc. Loha Garbha Pottali. Ingredients: Loha Basma, Kajjali, Shuddha Gandhaka Churna, Shuddha Swarna, Kumari Swarasa. Dose: 1 to 3 Rati. Anupana, Ardraka Swarasa, Madhu. Therapeutic indications: Sangrahi, Pandu, Kamala, etc.